My name is Douglas Meneghel. I started in 2007 at Enel in Rio as an intern. Now, fast forwarding to 2022, I'm still with Enel, and now I head the engineering department for Enel North America. I enjoy interacting, leading, and taking care of people. And I also enjoy the fact that we're working really with the newest technologies that are available. I'm proud of what Enel accomplished over the years. The whole renewable industry, I'm proud of what the industry has accomplished. One of the things that I appreciate most about Enel is the work environment. It allows people to thrive, is an environment of respect, is an environment with a lot of growth mindset. It is a place that you have a lot of opportunities to deliver, to learn. Taking initiative, taking ownership is something that's very welcome and very incentivized at Enel. The culture of innovation is deep-rooted in everything we do. It gives a feeling of pride. It's very fulfilling to see in real life that we're able to give opportunities for everyone to thrive in the company. Having that ability to work in such a multicultural environment is a privilege to me. You are always learning something new. You are always making yourself better. You become even a better manager because you are able to understand broader number of angles of perspectives as well. I feel that a lot of people that join us because of the purpose of what we're doing, definitely.